Good afternoon, dear Max. You look well. I am very happy to see you here today.
Good afternoon, Lana. You look happy too. The sunshine is wonderful for a park trip.
I brought all the tasty sandwiches. They are ready for our lunch meal.
I brought the cold juice and water bottles. We have enough drinks for a long time.
This city park is truly huge. We should walk towards the Central Lake area.
Yes, the area near the lake is best. It is always a very quiet and peaceful spot.
I am ready for a very long walk today. I wore my best walking shoes for this trip.
I see many beautiful blooming flowers. The fresh air smells incredibly good here.
We must find a perfect, quiet place soon. We can lay down the big picnic blanket.
Come, the beautiful lake is over there. We need to walk just 5 minutes more.
This grass looks very soft for sitting. This area is good for our picnic.
I like that tall, shady oak tree. The shade protects us from the hot sun.
I will put down our big blanket carefully. We can sit down very comfortably here.
Look at the small wooden bridge over there. It crosses the quiet little stream.
The water flows very slowly underneath. The sound is extremely relaxing and soft.
I will take out the sandwiches right away. We can start eating our food immediately.
My stomach is feeling very empty now. I am very hungry after the long walk.
You chose a perfect meal, Anna. Thank you for this nice picnic lunch.
I am happy to share this with you. We must enjoy this special day.
I am happy to be here with you. We must enjoy this last day together.
The park is full of happy people. Everyone enjoys the warm weather.
Let us sit down and eat everything. The delicious food is ready for us.
I love this peaceful atmosphere. It is good to be away from the city noise.
This is a perfect place for talking. We can discuss our future plans clearly.
I agree with you, dear Max. This is a great place to talk quietly.
This chicken sandwich is excellent. You are a very good cook, Lana.
Thank you for the kind compliment. I made a simple vegetarian one for myself.
The juice is very cold and refreshing. This is exactly what we needed today.
I am sad about your trip home. You leave the day after tomorrow morning.
Yes, I must take the morning train. My long holiday is completely finished.
I will miss your company greatly. You helped me so much this week.
I will miss you very much too. We will talk on the internet often.
That is a good promise, Max. I will send you many long emails.
I will also write to you often. I want to hear about your new job.
I start work on Monday morning. I feel very excited about it.
You will be excellent at your job. You draw very beautiful pictures.
My apartment is very small. I will save money for a bigger one.
That is a very smart goal, Lana. You're a very responsible person.
My company is near a quiet square. The building is large and modern.
I hope you make many new friends. You need good colleagues there.
I will try my very best to do that. I hope they are very kind people.
I will visit you again soon. I will come next summer holiday.
Please promise me you will come back. My door is always open for you.
I promise I will definitely return. We will explore more of this city.
Let us talk about tomorrow's plan. We can have one more final coffee.
Yes, we will meet for coffee early. We will say our proper goodbyes.
The sun feels so warm on my face. I could sleep right here now.
We should finish the sandwiches quickly. We still need to walk a little.
I love this quiet park moment. It is a wonderful last memory.
This memory will be very special. I will remember this day well.
We finished all the sandwiches.
We should pack up our blanket now.
I will collect all the trash carefully. We must keep the park clean.
We can walk around the big lake. I want to see the small boats.
Yes, the path circles the water. We can see the large fountain too.
I see many happy little children. They are feeding the white ducks.
The ducks are swimming very fast. They love eating the children's bread.
The fountain is very tall now. The water goes very high up.
The air is so fresh here by water. I feel completely relaxed now.
I will take a picture of the fountain. I need a nice memory photo.
The light is perfect for a picture. Take a good shot of the water.
I like the green trees here. The colors are very beautiful today.
This park is the heart of the city. It is a necessary green space.
We are walking very slowly now. We want to enjoy every minute.
Time passes too quickly today. I wish I could stay longer here.
We have one more evening left. We can talk on the phone later.
That is a good plan, dear Lana. I want to hear your voice again.
I see a small ice cream stand. We should buy cold ice cream now.
Ice cream is a great idea. I will buy us both a cold treat.
Thank you, Max. You are very kind. I want vanilla flavor, please.
I will get chocolate flavor then. It is my favorite kind always.
The ice cream is very cold. It tastes incredibly sweet now.
This walk was exactly what I needed. I feel refreshed after swimming.
We are almost back at the entrance. The park visit is ending now.
We should go back to your apartment. We must organize your things.
Yes, I need to prepare for Monday. My work clothes need ironing.
We are back at my street now. Thank you for the ride home, Max.
You are very welcome, dear Lana. I enjoyed the park very much.
Let us go upstairs to my flat. I want to show you my clean desk.
I will walk up the stairs with you. I need to see the clean apartment.
Here is the small working room. My desk is near the big window.
That is a great spot for drawing. The light is perfect here.
I arranged all my pencils neatly. They are ready for Monday morning.
You are very organized, Lana. That is good for your new career.
I need to print some documents. My small printer is running.
You are working hard already. You are very dedicated to your job.
I must iron my clothes tonight. They must look good on Monday.
I must pack all my things now. My suitcase is almost full.
I will call you later tonight. We can talk about everything again.
Yes, please call me around 9. I will be free at my hotel then.
We had a wonderful time together. I will never forget this trip.
I will remember these days forever. I am glad we met each other.
I am sad you are leaving soon. I feel a bit lonely already.
Do not feel lonely, Lana. Your new life is starting very soon.
I will try to be strong and happy. I know you will be back again.
I promise I will visit you soon. We will have more fun adventures.
I will walk you to your parked car. I want to say goodbye properly.
You do not have to walk down. I will say goodbye right here.
No, I want to come with you. I want to see you safely leave.
Okay, let us go down the stairs. The car is waiting for me.
We must take a final picture. I want a picture of us together.
We are standing by my car now. This truly feels like the final goodbye.
Thank you for this entire week. You were my very best first friend here.
Thank you for your nice company. I had a truly great time with you.
Please drive very safely home. The road is very long and dark soon.
I will drive extremely carefully, dear. I will definitely contact you tonight at 9.
I will be waiting for your phone call. I will tell you about all my final plans.
Remember to be very strong tomorrow. You start your amazing new life then.
I will be strong and very happy. I will work hard for my success.
You are a talented artist, Lana. Your studio definitely needs your good work.
I will send you my first drawing soon. You will see it by email very fast.
I will print your drawing immediately. I will keep it on my work desk.
That is a very sweet thing to say. I will miss your funny, cheerful jokes.
I will call you with a new joke. I will tell it on the phone later tonight.
We must say goodbye officially now. This is a sad but necessary moment.
Goodbye, my dear new friend. Please take care of yourself always.
Goodbye, dear Max. Safe travels. I will see you again very soon here.
I will call you later tonight, okay?
Yes. See you later, Max. Drive safe now.
I will miss this beautiful entire city.
She watches the car leave. He is gone now, but he will certainly return. I must go back upstairs quickly now. I have much preparation work left.
Max, speaking from inside the car, turning around, you must not forget your keys.
Oh, I almost left them outside. Thank you for reminding me, Max.
I am always here to help you. Goodbye one final time now.
Goodbye, Max. Thank you again. I will wait for your call tonight.
Hello, Lana. I arrived at the hotel safely. The drive was long and very dark.
I am glad you are safe and sound. I was worried about the dark roads.
I miss your small apartment already. The hotel room feels strange.
I miss you and your funny jokes. It is very quiet without you here.
Tell me about your preparations. Are you ready for work on Monday?
Yes, I ironed my white shirt. My clothes look perfectly neat now.
That is very good, dear Lana. You will make a good impression there.
I packed my big work bag. All my new pencils are inside.
You are a very organized person. That is important for a new job.
I set my alarm for 7 o'clock. I will wake up very early then.
I will call you very quickly Monday. I will wish you good luck.
Thank you, Max. That means a lot. I will wait for your short call.
I looked at our final picture. We looked very happy in the park.
I looked at the picture too. We had a truly wonderful week.
I hope you will feel happy there. The city has many opportunities.
I feel strong and ready now. You helped me start this new life.
We are friends forever, Lana. I will be here if you need help.
I know I can count on you. You are the very best friend.
I must go to sleep very soon. I have a long train ride tomorrow.
Yes, please rest well tonight. You need energy for the trip.
I will send you a message from the train. I will tell you when I leave.
Thank you, Max. Safe travels. Take care of yourself always.
Good night, dear Lana. Sleep well. Good luck with your new beginning.
Good night, dear Max. Call me soon. I will see you next summer.